Hi guys, I'm going to demonstrate my version of pressed green plantains. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the peel from the plantains. Use the side of your thumb to actually guide the peel and to remove it. It makes the process so much easier. Then we're going to cut our plantains into 3 equal pieces. Just go ahead and eyeball it. We're going to use a fork and pierce our plantains all over. Please be careful not to pierce it so deeply that our plantains actually break apart. We don't want that to happen. Then we're going to soak our plantains for about half an hour or so in some salt water solution. While it is soaking, we're going to preheat our pot. Go ahead and add a small amount of oil to our pot just to coat the bottom of it. Right here you have to be very careful because we're going to take the plantains out of the salted water and place it directly into the hot oil. Then these are green plantains and they're not going to cook that easily. So what we have to do is to create some amount of steam into the pot. So we're going to add some of that salted water to the pot and cover it to trap the steam in to cook the green plantains. Now once all the water has been evaporated, then you'll have back the oil into the pot. Alright. Now, if the plantain is not completely cooked throughout, then go ahead and add some more water to it and cover the pot. Please remember to turn the plantains. They will still burn even though we have some amount of water in it. Alright, once the fork can easily go into the center of the plantains, then we are ready for pressing. If you have grease paper, you can go ahead, put the plantains on the grease paper and press it. If you don't have any grease paper, you can use foil paper. Keep in mind that the plantains are very hot. So we're going to use a dish towel so that we don't burn our hands. The amount of pressure you apply to it will be how thin the plantain is going to come out. If you want it to be much more thinner, then you apply much more pressure to it. But you have to be careful because it can actually tear apart and you don't want that to happen. So we're going to press it to the desired thinness that you want. Then we're going to add some more oil to our pot and increase the temperature. And then we're going to go ahead and fry our plantains. Once the plantains are fried, then we're going to put it on some paper towel to absorb some of that oil. And that's it. You don't have to add any salt to it because it's already have that salty flavor to it already. And this can be served with any sauce or gravy dishes. Delicious.